Hazrat Bara bin Azib radiyallahu anhu states, on the day of Hudaybiyah, Hazrat Ali bin Abi Talib radiyallahu anhu wrote the peace treaty between the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the polytheists. He wrote, "This is the truce which Muhammad, Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, wrote." The Quraysh said, "Don't write Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If we had known, believed that you were Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we would not have fought with you." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu, "Erase this word." He submitted, "I am not the one who will erase it." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon erased it with his own hand. Hazrat Bara radiyallahu anhu says that one of the conditions imposed by the Quraysh was the Muslims can enter Makkah Mukarramah next year to stay only for 3 days, and they will not enter but with the sheathed weapons. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 4605.